Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the Battalion Development Toolkit series. So in this video we're going to take a look at testing, packaging and Steam Workshop upload. So in the Quick Start example mod video we've already gone through packaging and sort of testing in the game, in the main game, but we'll go through a similar process again here, just to show you that it's very similar, if not the same, with your mod. So we're going to go to, well, first actually what I'm going to do is build. So if you click build, it will build lighting, it will build your geometry, and it will build your paths. Geometry being the BSP, this stuff, and path being the navigation mesh, any LODs, anything extra that you've added and that you need doing. So I think we can click build. Let's see. Okay, so it says lighting needs to be rebuilt, and there it goes. Certainly see, oh, probably a bit too late there, but may have heard the PC groan a bit then. Okay, so now that that's all built, lighting's gone, I usually save all, and I will now do share mod. We'll do standalone. Let's see, my mods, go for that. Okay, it's just doing a bit of the content there and packaging it up. You'll notice the bigger your mods or maps get, the longer they'll take to cook. It's not a bad thing. Well, it's annoying, but it's not something that's wrong anyway. And now if we go into my mods, we can see there's Kev's mod. It's got 30 meg now. This is where I think I was saying earlier on in the series, if you don't have to give someone all the server files, or you don't need to, then it's good to just take them out of the content here. Right, cool. So we'll take Kev's mod, and I will find my Battalion folder, mods, delete an old Kev's mod in there, paste the new one, and I should be able to just run. Oh, actually, I've still got the editor open. That's an interesting point. So the game may not. They both kind of count as Battalion, so you have to be careful. Let's see, it might have been quick enough. Great. Okay, so we go to play, server browser, create LAN. You can see Kev's plot map, and I can. There you go. There's our loading screen, and there's our mini map that you can see up there. This is our ladder that we did earlier on in the series. Also got the vault volumes, so go up to that. And we've got the sites. Alright, so this is Wartide. If we first add a bot, and then we should be good to press F1 to start. There you go, there's our cinematic. Super crazy, unnecessarily, probably a bit nauseating. And here we are in the knife round. There's nothing really stopping you from creating quite large maps. Obviously, in the spirit of Battalion, it'd be kind of strange maybe to have something too wildly big, but it's possible. Okay, so I actually wanted to. Oh, it's knife round, isn't it? So there's no bomb here, and I think our AI guy is stuck here. I tested a while back, and I think this is what happens. Oh, he's decided to come alive and then immediately kill me. Cool. Yes. I think this is this version of Battalion. I think it's just a nuance that I might have forgotten or something that happens. But we can buy our equipment if we want to. This is all changed for our new game, obviously, but or the non-early access version. So bear in mind that things might look a bit different. Okay, cool. So I've got the bomb, and I can take it over here, and I can plant it. Now, if you find that, oh my god, if you find that the AI will kill you a lot, all you can do is go server dot enroll. Looks like he's more concerned about doing that, but that helps. So there we go. I think we've tested all of the things we need to test. Obviously, you could give it to someone else. You could host it on a server. Just bear in mind that you need to give it to them to put next to their game as well before they join. And if you've tested it and you're happy with maybe distances of things or sight lines, then you should be good to package it. So let's exit this. And if you want to know how to set that up with the dedicated server, it's very simple. If you can, just take a look at the quick start and example mod video, but all you really need to do is create a mod folder and mods folder just like you did with the client, and put that next to or in a similar place, and the server should find it. Okay, so let's go back to the editor. So obviously you would launch it from the Epic Games Launcher. I'm just launching from this bat file because I'm recording these before we've released. Okay, and you don't need to do anything else other than share mod, kevs mod, and then you can upload and package. So just give it a place to make it again. Oh no, sorry, select mod output directory. I think it's here. There we go. So it's just going to package it just like normal. Alright, great. So I believe you can then give it a custom thumbnail, and the default one is our Battalion 1944 one. Give it a mod name. So we could call it Kev's mod. I mean, obviously the whole thing's called Kev's mod, so it's probably good to have some consistency there. But you could change it. I might change it to tutorial mod. And I think that's good. I'll keep it private for now. And accept and upload. My internet connection isn't amazing, so this is 31 meg going up there. Or I think that might be zipping it actually. Now we're uploaded. Let's take a check at Task Manager. What's happening? Yeah, we're uploading now. Alright, great. And you can see here it says mod package tutorial mod has been successfully submitted to the Battalion workshop. Great. So let's see if we can go ahead and find that. Alright, great. So if I bring over my Steam here, you can see we've got our tutorial mod. and then I could subscribe to my own mod. And presumably you would need it to be public for other people to subscribe with it too. But this is great for maybe testing or testing with your friends when you put the visibility to friends only. All right, so I think that wraps up this video. I think the next ones will talk about some cool, maybe more logic-based things you can do in your maps. Maybe like doors or lifts, or just things that kind of have some logic to them and maybe make your maps a bit more interesting. All right, see you then.